Alright, so today I'm gonna be fixing this not buggy noise, buzzing noise coming from these two Vizio TVs right here. So, if you hold your ear up close, I don't know if it'll come across on camera, but if you do that, you can hear a very distinct buzzing noise. And here, let's turn off the computer to make it easier to hear. So, and like it's very noticeable. Well, I wouldn't say that. It's just once you hear it, you can't unhear it. Oh, you can really hear it now. Yeah. So, that's present on both of these. This seems a lot brighter than this one. And they're on the same profile of game. I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a disassembly video of these two TVs. Now, the reason the last clip just ended, like it just got cut off, is because, you know, my wallpaper, it's summer here, right? And now that means I don't actually have to go to any fascist house of indoctrination. Okay, now let me get one thing clear. If I had a choice to go to school or to not go to school, I'd choose to go to school. Because there's people there. And now, something in the summer is, I only go over to a friend's house maybe once a week. And now, that's not good enough for me. I want to talk to more people than that. But to keep, you know, I like them in my memory, I have a wallpaper of a group photo of all of us, and I just unlocked my phone and it showed that photo of everyone's faces, right? So it showed like 14 people's faces, but only like 7 out of the 14 people I would consider like best friends that can come over to my house and sleep over and it wouldn't be weird. I don't know why I included that information. It just felt necessary. Alright, now, model number. That's the model number of this TV, and okay, you can't see that on camera, but I can read the text on that. Actually, maybe if I zoom in. Yeah, there we go. That's the model number of this TV. So, let's go here. Let's open up, not that. Let's drag this over here. Let's find some guides, you know? Or if I can't find anything, I'm just gonna wing it straight up. Okay, you know what? I couldn't find any, like, iFixit guides out there. Or not iFixit guides. They're not gonna have one for this model of TV. But just a guide in general. Now, of course, the Vizio manual isn't gonna tell you how, so I'm just gonna wing it. Alright, so let's shut the computer down. Let's turn the TVs off. Here, I can just use the remote. Do them both at once. Okay, now I'm going to get them both on the floor right here. And a tripod. Alright, I got the big TV on the floor right here. Where's the screwdriver? I just got back from a 2-week vacation, and oh, it's in here, right? My iFixit screwdriver. Where is my iFixit screwdriver? Okay, let me. Oh, it's right there. Looking around. It's about to pause the video. This is a Philips 00, right? Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Let's put this bit back in. All right. Now, I need a bigger screwdriver head. Let's see. Where does this one go? That's for a standoff head. Oh, you know what? I must have put the standoff one. Where's the standoff one? where the Phillips one goes, right here. Okay, this one goes right here, this one goes right here. Great. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. And this is everything that was on my desk. Just clean it off. Okay, now I'm going to unscrew all of the screws that I can see, and I'm gonna try to take it apart. Well, first let's take the stand off. Can't. Well, do I need to take? Yeah, let's take the stand off. Okay, going to do this off camera. All right, I got the stand off, and when I did, the TV kind of just fell flat, about this much. Fell about this much. Probably not gonna hurt it at all. So let's see. Let's get on to some unscrewing around there. Yeah. All right, I unscrewed all of the screws. Now let's let's get a tripod first. Oh, wait a moment. There's screws right here. But first, let's get a tripod. One's right here. Okay. Okay. That's a crappy ass angle. All right. All right, just these two screws right here. Let's just do that, and it's raining outside. How fun. Okay. And one thing to mention, these are like my favorite screws I've ever seen. Like look at them. They're like all ceramic and nice and reflective. Like, boy, these are the nicest screws I've ever seen. Anyway, let's put those right there. Does this one get unscrewed? Yeah. Okay, now, how do I do this? Oh. Let's see. Like clips or something? These screws are out. Screws out. Screws out. Ooh, thunder. Okay. I don't know how to open one of these properly. So I'm just gonna guess and say from this side. Really doesn't want to come out. Is it screws? Oh yeah, there's a. Is that a screw? That's not. Yes, 2 more screws, right here that I completely missed. Hey, they blended into the thing. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Just get that right there. The 2 screws were right here and right here. So, and they're screwed in tight. All right, let's just get those right there. Now let's try again. Are there more screws? Maybe? Somewhere? That are completely hidden? What about on the side here? On the side too. Okay. Well, that's great. They're in really tight. Okay, let's just put these in there. Okay, now, does it want to come out, maybe? Tiny bit. Oh, nope, there's one more screw. 2 more screws. 3 more screws. What? Yo, these are so difficult to catch. Okay. And one last one. Why do you need so many screws? Okay, now. It still doesn't want to come out. What's the deal here? No. I don't see any more screws. Oh, it's coming out. Okay, first, before I undo anything, let's make sure it still works, because I did kind of drop it a tiny bit when I was unscrewing that. So here, let's get this like this. Let's get the screwdriver. Where did the screwdriver go? Was there a screwdriver? Oh, it's right here. Let's plug this in, power it on, and the question is, does it still come on? Show me a blue thing. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it works perfect. Okay. Oops. Let's power it off, unplug it, press the power button again, so I don't like get shocked when I'm opening it or something. Okay. Okay. Am I sure everything's out? Because it kind of still doesn't want to come out, you know? Okay, maybe the screws aren't fully unscrewed. This is a quality video, I can already tell. This one's unscrewed. Come on now. I swear there must be a clip or something, or an extra screw I'm not seeing. What's up? Shouldn't be this difficult. Here, let's just take all of these out. Oh, this might take a moment. So I've been at it for a couple minutes now. Still can't get it off, but there is this thing right here. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I have to use this. But so looks like this might be our issue. Okay. It's that easy. Oh, it's that easy. Oops. Oh, okay. Well. Okay. Okay. Let's just make sure the TV still works one more time. Oop, that's not close enough. Okay, wait. Oh, power. Okay, I'm going to click the power. And, ooh, you can see backlight, everything. Can I see the picture? Yeah, it works. Okay, let's just shut that off. Unplug this. Press the power button again. Great. Now what? Speakers. Okay. Speakers. Let's that back. Speakers. Okay. So this is running to here. So red and white and black and yellow. Okay, red, white, black, and yellow. Red, white, black, and yellow, those are going up here. And can I just do that? Let's see. Oh, I don't like that. Here, can we get this? Okay. Let's make sure that wasn't actually connected to anything else. So yeah, red, white, black, and yellow. And these go along here, down in here. Red, white, black, and yellow. Red, white, black, and yellow. Yeah, those just go to the speakers. Okay. Great. Now let's make sure the TV still turns on and it's not making that noise. All right. Did I click the button or not? I did. Okay. Great. All right. Let me put my ear to the speaker. Let's see if I can hear anything. No, it's completely silent. How great is that? I'm gonna put this back down now. Great. Now, power button. Unplug. Okay. Now, time to put everything back together. Which I'll just put this back on here, put the stand back on, and then I will start recording again. Okay, I got everything back together with no screws that seem to be left over, so everything has its place. Let's see if it still is in fact fully functional. And I'm not going to put the thing around this back on because that absolutely no reason to. But let's do it anyway. I changed my mind. Because I saw there's a gap right there that just doesn't look good. Okay. Now, it's time to test it to make sure it works. Okay, power button. Okay. And there we go. Okay. And the speakers don't make the noise anymore, and they're not going to be making any noise for a long time. Until I decide to maybe sell this TV or give it away. Oh, I'll reconnect the speakers, but anyway, that's pretty great. Time to do it to the other TV. Yay. So I'm going to get that down on the floor right here and put this one back. So I started disassembling this one without even recording. Now, something to note about this one is there's only 2 screws holding this stand in. Those ones right here, and the reason why that is when we moved to a bigger house, one that my dad built, yeah, the screws kind of disappeared because this used to be mounted on the wall, right? And when we got here, those were the only 2 screws that were in the bag with the stand. So I have no clue where the other ones went. Got 1 screw in when I realized, wait, I should record this. So I'm going to do the exact same thing I did with the other TV, and that's unscrew all the screws. So I'll get back to you once that is finished. Alright, I got out all of the screws that I think were necessary to remove in order to, well, right after this one, in order to remove the, like, rear housing from the TV. Because these screws right here, I think they're actually on the motherboard itself and not holding down the TV, the TV back panel. Yeah. All right. Now, let's see if I can do this. All right, let's just don't know if this is the best camera angle. A slight feeling it's being held down again by something. Let's see. You know, I can't really see anything that would be causing it. You know, I think it's just clips holding down plastic, maybe? Yeah. All right. Oh, it's dusty. Anyway, so this computer is from 2007. That computer is, no, I mean TV. This TV is from 2007. That TV is I don't know when it's from. I got it as a gift. Okay, so let's do the exact same thing. Where's the power button? I should press that. Okay, now speakers, same old thing. So yellow and black, red and white. Yellow, black, red and white. They go into here, which it looks like they connect right here. So I am gonna need to take this off. All right, where's the screwdriver? All right. Oh, that's dusty as hell. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that's crazy. Oh, that's so gross. Okay. Let's just... Okay. Now. Ooh. All right. Let's just put the tripod right there. Angle it in a good way. Okay, so 3 screws along the back here. I don't want to be pressing hard on this because I don't want to, damage the LCD. That sure would be a shame if that were to happen now. Let's see if I can take out this one. Yeah. And this right here also. If it wants to come out, maybe? There we go. Now, here, let's just... Well, actually, I don't think I need to touch that. And then 2 screws along the side right here. Okay. These are the same. Yeah, they're the same. Okay. And then let's see, 4 more screws. Here, I'll do this off camera. All right, now some more screws along here. And then this thing should come off. These screws are screwed in very tight. All right. Oh, these are difficult. Okay, let's move the camera. And then 2 more screws after that. Nope, that's not true. 3, 4 more screws after this one. Okay. Two more screws after this one. Hey. Now I'm going to take this opportunity and tell you about how I want to build a new computer. So right now, I have a GTX 1060 and an i5 6500K. Now, those are fresh out of 2016, right? When I built the computer. So, yeah, I want to run Quake, the RTX version, Quake 2 RTX version. That's a thing, okay? I think NVIDIA themselves actually made Quake available to be compatible with RTX. So, well, ray tracing. So I want to get a RTX 2080 and see if that will work. Yeah, that'll be fun. Anyway, let's come up. No, does this need to slide forward or something? Is there a screw I'm missing? So let's see. It seems to be pretty loose. Is that connected to... No? Okay, why isn't this coming off? Is it... Let me see if I can figure it out. So, I've spotted something. Another, like, one of these. The things that go around the thing. So, where did I put the pliers? They have to be here somewhere. Oh, they're right here. Oh, I tried. Didn't work out. Okay, I got the pliers. Now, let's summon demons. Oh, yeah. Okay, maybe if I try this approach, we'll... this seems to not... Okay, 1 second. So there is like Loctite around the thing, or just glue or something, and that made it extra difficult to get it to come off. But I thought I wasn't actually. Okay, what I'm trying to say is I thought I was gonna need to get one. I don't know what they're called, but one of those things that like fits around it, like that fits around it, and you can twist it like that. I forget what they're called, but one of them. And does it work? Still doesn't want to come off. Why? Huh. Okay, well, let me figure this out. Alright, so these looked like they could be... Oh, you can't see it. These right here looked like they could be unscrewed. And what do you know? I start turning it, and you can unscrew them. So, gonna unscrew these right here and get back to you. Okay, I unscrewed them. Now, why the hell... Oh. Hey, now it works. Okay. So, a lot of the capacitors are crooked. I don't think that's an issue. Looks unprofessional. But I don't think that's an issue. Hopefully. Hopefully I didn't fuck up anything. Now, what am I trying to do? Oh, you're kidding me. Is that all one fucking connector? Oh no. Oh no, hold on, let me get this fully off. Oh, thank fuck, I had a closer look at it. The audio connector, it's different from this. I thought I might just have to cut the cords or something. Whew. Okay. So let's get this audio connector out. Right here. So, is that clipped in or anything? I don't think so. Okay. Great. Can we get that out of the clip here? Oops. Bumped the camera. Get it out of the clip here. And here, I'll just tape it or something. Yeah, I'll just tape it like this. So it'll be out of the way. Then I will put everything back together and all will be good, hopefully. Yeah. All right. So perfectly working, and when you hold your ear up to here, it doesn't make a sound. So how great is that? This monitor also is kind of working, but here, did you see that line? Here, let me go in full screen, exit full screen. I don't know if it did it again. Here, let's see. Nope, stop. Yeah, here, let me get up real close. Yeah, there's like a line. Whenever the screen like drastically changes, it has lines that run through it. Also, it's not really showing up here. Here, let's go to Reddit. And full screen that. So, it's not really showing up on camera, but there's like a green strip right here. This, basically what I'm saying is, wait, what? That's hilarious. Oh, that's amazing. Well, okay. They probably just searched up, you know, iPhone picture, and this was something that was there. Anyway, this is the end of the video, so that's just great that both of these now don't make a sound, you know?